Welcome back to the channel, Horsepower Junkies. I'm SpeedyGimp313, where the builds are loud, the takes are unfiltered, and the mobility aids have aftermarket upgrades. Today we're checking out another Alabama Auto Culture monthly meet, a mystery box of cars, chaos, and questionable financial choices. These meets bounce all over central Alabama. Last month we hit Montgomery, Alabama, where the turnout was hotter than my transmission at a track day. So smash the like button like it just stole your parking spot, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's roll to Wetumpka to check out the rides. Alright, so we made it to the event. A lot of different cars at this meet that we didn't see at the last location for this meet. I'm going to take you guys around, show you some of the cars, and stick around for this video because I'm going to have an update about our trip to Summit Racing and the safety equipment that I've been teasing on social media for a future video. We saw this car at the Auto Works Expo a few months ago. I'll put a link to that video at the top of the screen. This GTR is very, very clean. that is the incoming weather. So I'm gonna hurry up and get some finishing shots of this GTR, then I'm gonna head back to the car. The reason I haven't released the Summit Racing safety equipment video is because I ordered my fire suit back in April when we went to Summit and filmed the video, and they told me at that time it would ship sometime around May or June, and that has now been pushed all the way back to August, and I don't want to film the video until I have all the pieces of equipment to show you in the video. So that's the hold up on that video. Thank you guys for understanding. Follow me on social media because I will be posting updates when we're getting ready to release that video, as well as all future uploads. That's going to do it for this video. If it's your first time coming to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Share the video if you enjoyed it as well. Be sure to ring the bell notification button to be notified when my latest videos go live. Links to all of my social media will be down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.